All of the post of our blog basically shows here, and up to yet we have nothing posted. You see here it shows all 0. To post you simply go here plus sign and then you see new post. So first of all I need some dummy text. I'm copying dummy text from Word and then pasting it here. So the first option basically either you want to go in HTML mode or you want to go in compose mode. I'm basically here fine in compose mode, and this option for undo, this option for redo, this actually font type. For instance I'm selecting this, and what kind of font I want to give, either Arial or some other options. You can add some fonts or you can leave with default font. So okay, we are adding here Arial, and this actually font size I say medium for instance, and now for instance I want to add some headings. For instance I'm here typing anything, and this shows the headings. So for instance we are here adding for major headings. You see this change, and I want some headings, and I want some subheadings, then I should go here. So that's all. This actually allow the heading purpose. To bold, simply select the text and what just select this B. For italic, for underline, and this actually is the strike through. Strike through means, for instance you have a e-commerce website, and where you have some product like has a price of $450, and now there are some kind of sale. So you just simply select this and then you select this. Now you have type another price. So strike through basically used mostly for the e-commerce and for shows to new price. So here we show some kind of sale or any discount. So this actually color of the text, simply see, select text and then select any color, and this text background, and this actually insert a link. Simply select the text where you want any kind of link. For instance I am here inserting Google. So when I publish my this page, then someone select this kind of text. When it click, then it basically goes to the Google. So actually in this option here also we find in the link either open a new tab or will open something like same. So I'm here say open link with a new tab. You can also insert an image, very easy. Just to go here, or you can also embed image, but in this moment we just upload our image from our PC. I'm selecting this image and it is just to be uploaded after a few minutes. And here we almost completed our upload. You can also add videos. For instance I want to add videos for my PC. From my PC I am adding here something video, like I am adding this video. And just a little bit wait. Okay, so when we select image, here you see either you want image in the aligned left, either you want image aligned right, either in the center. So I'm basically this I'm putting here in the center, or what kind of image size you want, original, extra size, large, medium or small. If I select original, then it shows this. You see this actually is an original size, but I'm not interested with original size. I say medium, and you can change caption. This actually very necessary for the SEO purpose. One alt text tutorial and title just update. You can do same thing for the video, but now we are just here are some other options such as for the bulleted list, numbered list, some quote text, but we are just publishing our post. And our post actually we want to see our blog, what happens, so just to go ahead view blog, and you see here we have posted. So here our text, and here we have a video. If I play video, it actually, so overall we have learned almost everything about the post. So this actually our first post. So thanks.